Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have some exciting news in the smartphone world. Realme has just launched its latest flagship, the Realme GT 7 Pro. The first smartphone powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite to launch outside of China. And guess what? It's coming to India on November 26th. Let's dive into what makes this phone stand out and why it could be your next device, the Realme GT 7 Pro. Packs the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Micro chipset, the latest and most powerful SoC from Qualcomm, ensuring top-tier performance for gaming, multitasking, and everyday use. This makes it a true flagship phone, and it's set to compete with some of the best in the market in 2024. One of the most unique features of the GT 7 Pro is its underwater photography mode. Whether you're at the beach or diving into a pool, this phone is designed to take stunning photos and videos underwater, essentially turning your phone into an action camera. It's a feature you won't find on many other devices. The GT 7 Pro also comes with Realme UI 6.0, which brings a host of AI-powered features that improve performance and optimize your experience. Plus, the phone is equipped with a large battery, ensuring it lasts all day, and when it's time to recharge, it supports fast charging, so you won't be waiting around. Now let's talk about price. In China, the GT 7 Pro starts at around $507, making it one of the more affordable Snapdragon 8 Elite phones available. Expect a similar price point when it launches internationally, offering great value for such a powerful device. We know the Euro GT 7 Pro will debut in India on November 26th, and Realme has hinted at an imminent European release, making it one of the most globally accessible Snapdragon 8 Elite phone. So will you be picking up the Realme GT 7 Pro? With its Snapdragon 8 Elite Shana, underwater mode, and AI features, it's shaping up to be a serious contender for flagship of the year. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.